Hello everybody, today we're going to be working on limits a little bit more. So I would like you to do the try this, which is finding the limits. So put me on pause and come back and check your answers. Okay, so for number one we have here, find the limit as x approaches -2 of x plus 9 over x squared plus 3. So remember, I always said the first thing you should always do when you're finding a limit is try direct substitution. All right, so I'm going to take -2 and plug it in. So we have -2 plus 9 over -2 squared plus 3. So that's 7 over 7, which is 1. So the limit is equal to 1. All right, so let's try number 2. So again, we're going to try direct substitution. It is the limit as x approaches 3 of x minus 3 over x squared minus 9. So I'm going to do the direct substitution. I have 3 minus 3 over 3 squared minus 9. So that's 0 over 9 minus 9, which is 0 over 0. That is undefined. So we have to try doing what we did yesterday and 2 days ago, the dividing out technique. So let me get rid of this. So I'm going to factor the numerators, factor the denominator. So we have here x minus 3 cannot be factored. So we have x minus 3 here. X squared minus 9 is x plus 3, x minus 3. So the x minus 3s, they reduce to 1, right? Remember, that's the whole. There's a whole. That means at x equals 3. So I have 1 over x plus 3. So now we rewrite the limit. So it's the limit as x approaches 3 of 1 over x plus 3. All right, so plug the 3 in. Now we can do direct substitution. All right, so I'll do that down here. We have 1 over 3 plus 3. So that's 1 over 6. So the limit is 1/6. All right, so let's take a look at number 3. So again, we're going to try direct substitution. It is the limit as x approaches 9 of the square root of x plus 7 minus 4 over x minus 9. So again, we're going to plug in. So we have the square root of 9 plus 7 minus 4 over 9 minus 9. So I notice right away in the denominator it's undefined. But how do I factor this so that I can reduce it? Well, you can't actually factor this. So we have to have another way to figure out what the limit is. And that's called the rationalizing technique. Okay, so let's just write down. Let me just get rid of this actually. All right, so rationalizing, hopefully remember we did that with radicals and with complex numbers. Rationalizing is multiplying by the conjugate. So rationalizing